Okay, so the house is back over here. You see the red through the trees. Here is the river access. Here. Straight down this path that needs to be cleared a little bit, but there is a walking path to the river. There is a slight grade. The owner believes that there's another pathway down this way. I've never been down that way before, but we did come down this way whenever she bought the property. And none of this was here then. So it's just a little overgrown. See the grade here. You can hear what the highway sounds like. It's not very loud. I think with a little clearing, a side-by-side could get down here just fine. So all this would need to be cleared out. There's the river bank here. We're getting closer. And this would need to be cleared. And here's the access right down here. So wouldn't take too much clearing, and your side-by-side should not have a problem getting access down here. Or obviously on foot. So there's the access there. There. And then from down here, there it is. I'll zoom out a little bit so that you can see that it's all this riverbank frontage here that rides the property line till about down there ish. I don't have the property boundary marked directly with any of my stuff. It's just a guesstimate on my drone work that you saw. But if you need property markers, you can go through the county and they can show you where they are. I'm sure the corners are probably pinned. Okay, and now we'll head back up. And there's the homeowner coming after me. I'll stop recording now. Let us know if you have more questions.